Um, Welcome back. I've already said a lot in part one, part two, part three, and then what I'm just talking about today is about cross browser compatibility test using your local server, and then I'm focusing on Internet Explorer versus CSS3. I've said a lot in my part one, two, three. This is part four now. If you haven't watched one, two, three, please just scroll back and watch part three because what I'm about to do now, I'm just showing the solutions in Internet Explorer, and then I've already show you how this is rendered when we apply a solution such as using the this solution um, pi uh, pi by going to what is it called pi.com, and then what we did is that we had this the CSS. We just add that function there so that we can be able to, we had this line of code so that we'll add that so that we can see the shadow and every other thing. And so far I've already tested 6, and then in 6 this is what I'm getting, in 7 this is what I'm getting. Now I'm trying to check in 8. So now if I go back to the front page, I should be able to change that to 8. So I'm changing this now to 8. So I want to see how it's going to look like in 8. So if I go back to 8 now and I refresh in 8, still this is giving me something that I don't really want, but that is not the perfect thing that's supposed to be happening there. So let me see how it look like in 9. So probably I have to remove that pi and then see how it look like without that pi. So I'm checking it now with 9, checking with 9, and then if that problem is because of that adding that pi, then I have to remove that and see what I'm going to get again. So it's perfect in 9, so that's no issue. Coming to 8 is giving me something background that I don't know. I'll have to check that later. This 7 and this is 6. So 6 is still putting that page to the left instead of center. So why that is happening is one of the problem that we are facing today. And then one of the solution I've said is to leave this in that position, and then whenever anybody from any user is using it, is viewing the site, because what this information gathered from this Internet Explorer website is that when you said that if you want the page to be displayed in a name mode, you have to leave this as name, or you leave it as emulate name. And if the web page specifies standard mode base document type directive, the page is displayed in name. So what that means is that we need to add this is the document type here, and then if you look at it, the document type, you will see that we've already said it's null. So just adding this, just that, make it null, and then when it's null, the web browser is going to render it in this fashion, because this shows that this HTML document type is HTML5. So I think so far so good. This is what I've got to show today. The next time I'll be bringing more information about web development and web designing, which very easy techniques and very easy way that you can do something behind the screen, and do something using your local server without you going to those website to pay for. And then I've already show you some information here that if you think that you wanted to use those platform, you can use this. I think this is free, and then what you want to do is the same thing with what I've shown you on the local server. You just have to be changing those compatibility mode from one version to another version. If you can do everything like this on your local server, then you are there. So without you coming, if you come here now, if I should type in a page, I don't know. Okay, let me try something like blah 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 blah. Okay, www dot. Let's use Facebook and see how Facebook is going to render across the web, because this is facebook.com. Let's see what it's going to be, how it's going to see, how it's going to look like. Okay, see the robot text is stopping that to happen. It's blocked. So and let me check another website. www dot which other website can I check? Okay, www.3.org, because I want to see the powerful website that how they going to render, okay. It's giving me, it's going to take about see, it has me to wait, which is saying submit 0 minutes ago, expire in 30 minutes, and queue 2 minutes to 1 hour 18 minutes. So do I have to do that? Do I have to wait for that? I don't have to wait for that. All I need to do is what I've done here. I can just come here and check my cross border compatibility by just changing this, yeah, one by one, and then I'm going to get whatever I wanted to get. So another web browser, another platform would be which one again? Let's see, Adobe Browser Lab. I don't think I'll be going to that, but I'm just saying to you, you can do this on your local server without coming to all the way to this place, and then blah blah blah. Where is the, okay, start using let's see what it's going to be giving us. Another thing, they want you to sign up. You see, they want you to sign up, and then you don't have time to be signing up. They will say after signing up you have to go to your email again to go and come back to come and activate your sign up. And then all I'm trying to say here is that you just need to use something simpler. So far so good. Thank you for watching my this video, and then if there's any issue, if there's any information that you want to share with me that you think I've said today, and then it's not of useful to you, it's recommended that you watch this video from 1 to the end of the series. I think it's up to like 5, from 1 to 5. And for any reason, you can check me out at sharpserver.com. You can email me with this email address, and then you are free to comment on this video, and then I will go say bye bye for now, and thank you very much for watching.